Hey guys, it took a while for dark mode to arrive on WhatsApp, but better late than never, right? So in today's video, I'm going to help you enable it on iOS and Android in case you don't know how to do it yet. If you have an iPhone and already has iOS 13 installed, the steps are extremely easy. Simply go to your control center by swiping down from the top right of the display and click in the dark mode icon that WhatsApp is going to automatically switch to dark mode. So you basically just need to change dark mode on your iPhone and that's it. Now, in case you don't see the dark mode icon in your control center, you can go to Settings, click in Control Center, Customize Controls, and right here on the left, you can click on the plus sign right next to dark mode. Because I already have dark mode there, it's not showing up at the bottom, but if I remove it, let's click remove, you'll see that now there's a plus sign right here. So just click in the plus sign and that's it. Now you're gonna see the dark mode icon in your control center. Another option is to go to Settings, Display and Brightness, and select between light or dark depending on the mode that you would like to use. If you want, you can also configure it so it enables automatically. Just click in Options and choose from sunset to sunrise or create a custom schedule. Now, if you have an Android phone, the process is a little bit different. If you swipe down on your notifications and enable dark mode right here, you will see that WhatsApp may not enable dark mode automatically. But what should you do? Well, go back to all your chats and click in these three dots right in the corner. Then click on Settings, Chats, and choose between System Default if you want WhatsApp to change to dark mode whenever your device changes, or Dark if you want your WhatsApp to stay on dark mode all the time, and that's it. I'm going to choose System Default so WhatsApp changes if I change the settings on my phone. And this is how you can enable WhatsApp's dark mode on iOS and on Android. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with a friend that needs extra help with this. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.